Buonasera La Scuola. Today is the day when we launch the annual fund, 2022-2023. The annual fund is a way you can support the unique and wonderful programs at La Scuola, so all the learning that happens and also the people of La Scuola. The annual fund is also a way we support our sliding scale tuition and make La Scuola more affordable and allows us to meet our diversity, equity, inclusion and belonging goals that are very important to us. This is also the year where we celebrate 20 years. It's very exciting. We started 20 years ago as a playgroup. We became a more formal program in 2007, and now we are a fully grown pre-K through 8 school. It's a very exciting time for us, and we continue to grow and develop, so we're very thankful for all that you have done to take us here.
We truly wouldn't have made it to celebrate this amazing milestone of reaching 20 years without your participation and your generosity. And it is through this that we will continue to reach more milestones for La Scuola. For this reason, we are asking for 100% participation in our annual fund this year. You should know that philanthropy is very intentionally woven into the school's operating budget in order to keep our tuition as accessible to as many families as possible, and allows those who are able to give more the opportunity to do so. It is truly through this model that we are able to keep La Scuola spreading the magic of who we are to as many people as possible. So with your gift, whether it's $50 or $50,000, know that you are truly and absolutely making a difference in our programs and helping to take La Scuola from exceptional to transformational. All gifts are tax deductible, and while I encourage you to make a gift that is meaningful for your family, really the most important thing is that you participate so that we can reach 100% participation throughout our entire community.
So both of my children graduated from La Scuola, and what an incredible experience it has been. Yet I'm still here, and I hope to be here for a long time, and I continue to be inspired and so enthusiastic about everything I see. The community that we have built, the learning that happens here are both exceptional and make us who we are. I have made my gift to the annual fund, as I do every year, and I really hope that you will join me and support this school that is so full of heart, and I really hope that we can do this together once again this year. Have a wonderful evening, and thank you, grazie di cuore, for everything you do for La Scuola.